Hi everybody, Mark at the Hall of Flame Museum of Firefighting, and you know what time it is. It's time for a story. It's story time. And today's story is Fire Engine Man. Fire Engine Man by Andrea Zimmerman and David Klemesha. I love fire engines. I like to squirt down fires. I'm going to be a fire engine man. I will wear a special coat and boots and a hat to protect me. I will drive my own big fire engine. It will have a loud siren and flashing lights. My brother can see me pass by. I will hook up my hose. I will help the other firefighters fight the fire. When the fire is out, I will drive back to the station. At the fire station, I will have more work to do. My brother could visit me there because it would be safe. He could sit in the fire engine. I could make a snack for us in the fire station kitchen. He could see my bunk, maybe even take a nap. But if the alarm rang, I would have to go. I will always be ready. I will drive my fire engine. I will squirt down all the fires when I am a fire engine man. When my brother gets bigger, he can help. He can be a fire engine man too. Well, that pretty much sums it up. Fire Engine Man, today's story time here at the Hall of Flame. Please come and see us again soon for another story. I'm Mark at the Hall of Flame. Bye-bye.